Ram, and in this video we will learn that how to use the paste special window, and it is very important feature for Microsoft Excel and very handy. So let's get started with an example. So I have a small data set here, and also it contains the names of salesperson and the month from Jan to April. Okay, so for example, if I want to copy this 384 answer. So as you know, as an Excel user, you press Ctrl C, and if I want to paste from, for example, here in G9, so I will press Ctrl V, but it shows me as a 0 because it uses a relative reference. And when I copy and paste somewhere else, it will not work as it is, right? Another thing is that until if I make it absolute, so that's another part, it will definitely work. Sometimes what you want is that you don't want the formula to be copied. You want to copy this number and paste as a value somewhere else. So for that reason, paste special comes in. So how to explore paste special and what are all other features available in paste special? Let's get started. So I need to copy this number. So for that, I will just press Ctrl C, and in the Home tab, you can see here the paste option. So I will click on it, and there are a lot of different types of paste options available at the bottom. At the bottom, you will see a paste special, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus V. So I will click on paste special, and paste special window will appear. So I have copied here this particular cell which contains 384. And what I will do is I will go to a blank cell, and I will again go to paste special, and I will put this as values. So I will select values here. So now it has been pasted successfully, and it does not contain any kind of formula or function. It contains as a value, right? Right now, for example, you might like a formatting of a certain cell, and you just want to paste a format rather than whatever the data inside that cell. For example, if a cell has a yellow color and you want to paste that particular cell format here, so again, for being specific in the paste thing, you need paste special. So I will press Ctrl C, I will go to G5. For example, I want to paste a form only formatting in this cell, copying by D5. So I will go to paste special again. And this time I will select formats, and I will press OK. So only the formatting has been pasted. Similarly, we have another option in the paste special, which is the transpose. Let us look at what the transpose does it. So I will copy this entire data. First select the data, then press Ctrl C, and then go to the blank space somewhere and go to paste special. Here we have an option is transpose, and we want to transpose all the values. So I will press OK, and you can see that whatever the columns were now being transformed into a row, and whatever the rows are now being transformed into the columns. So transpose means interexchange between rows and columns. So the rows become columns and columns become rows, right? So this has been done with the paste special. Moreover, what you can do is, after watching this video, you can go to paste special and apply the other options as well, so that you can have an idea that how paste special comes very handy. And it comes pasting only formats or formulas or values in your reports. Thank you.